Welcome to Common Mistakes in English. Today, we're diving into some tricky topics. First up, the difference between I did and I have done. Next, why I am having a car is not quite right. And finally, correcting he go to school every day. Stick around to master these common errors.
Confused between I did and I have done? You're not alone. Today, I'll give you a super simple guide to understand the difference between the past tense and the present perfect tense, with clear examples. Let's get started. 1. Simple past. Use it when the action happened at a specific time in the past and is now finished. Structure, subject plus past verb V2. Examples: I visited Paris last year. She watched the movie yesterday. They ate lunch at 1 p.m. Key tip: if you know when it happened, use past tense. 2. Present perfect. Use it when the action happened at an unknown time in the past or still has relevance now. Structure: subject plus have has plus past participle V3. Examples: I have visited Paris. We don't say when. She has watched that movie. They have eaten already. Key tip: no specific time plus still connected to now equals present perfect. 3. Quick comparison. I went to the store. Simple past. Completed known time. I have gone to the store. Present perfect. Relevant now or recently. Another example. He lost his keys. Past. Maybe he found them later. He has lost his keys. Present perfect. He still hasn't found them. Ending. So remember, use past for a known time and present perfect for life experiences or recent actions without a time. This small difference makes your English sound much more accurate and advanced. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick English tips. Do you say, I am having a car? Not quite right. In today's lesson, I'll explain why we don't use am having in this context and show you how to sound more natural and correct in English. Wrong. I am having a car. Right. I have a car. Because have is a stative verb, a verb that describes a state or condition, not an action. Stative verbs usually don't take continuous ing forms when describing possession, feelings, thoughts, etc. So use I have a car, correct? Not I am having a car. But wait, sometimes having is correct. When have means eating, experiencing, or doing something, we can use having. Examples: I'm having lunch. She's having a great time. We're having a meeting. Repeat after me. I have 2 brothers. He has a new phone. They're having dinner now. We have an idea, so now you know. Don't say, I am having a car. Say, I have a car. Use having only when it's about doing something, not owning something. Like this lesson? Then like, share, and subscribe for more smart English tips. Do you say, he go to school every day? Something's not right there. In this video, I'll teach you the simple grammar rule that makes your sentences sound correct and natural. Subject-verb agreement, especially with he, she, and it. Let's fix it fast. What's the mistake? Incorrect. He go to school. Correct. He goes to school. When the subject is he, she, or it, the verb takes s or es in the present tense. This rule is called subject-verb agreement. I, you, we, they use the base verb. I go to school. They play football. He, she, it add s or es to the verb. He goes to school. She plays football. More examples. Incorrect. She eat breakfast at 8. Correct. She eats breakfast at 8. Incorrect. It bark loudly. Correct. It barks loudly. Incorrect. My mom cook well. Correct. My mom cooks well. Just remember, if the subject is he, she, or it, add s to the verb. Say these aloud with me. He goes to work. She likes chocolate. It rains in the morning. Now try. They go to work. We like chocolate. I walk to school. Easy, right? Just a small es makes a big difference in sounding fluent. So next time, don't say he go. Say he goes. Like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and smart English tips. If you found this class helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming lessons. Share this video with your friends or classmates who are also learning literature. It might help them too. Do you have any doubts or need help with a particular topic in literature? Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below. I'll read them and try to include them in the upcoming classes. On our channel, we teach English as a communicative language, cover essential grammar concepts, provide content for literature students, and offer a wide range of English learning videos. Let's learn and grow together through literature.